Have you ever wondered how glass is made? Let's break it down. Glass production starts with three main ingredients: sand, soda ash, and limestone. The key element here is sand, specifically silica, which is the main component of glass. To turn this raw material into something clear and solid, we need to subject it to a rigorous heating process. It all begins with intense heat, a crucial element in transforming the raw materials. The mixture of sand, soda ash and limestone is carefully measured and then heated in a furnace to temperatures exceeding 1,700 degrees Celsius. At this extreme heat, the sand melts into a molten, liquid state, creating the foundation for glass. This molten glass is then ready for the next steps in the manufacturing process, where it will be shaped and cooled to form the final product. This liquid glass is then shaped into sheets, bottles or other forms depending on what's being made. Once the glass is formed, it needs to cool down, but this isn't done quickly. The glass is cooled gradually in a process called annealing. This prevents stress and cracks, ensuring the glass is strong and durable. During annealing, the glass is slowly heated to a specific temperature and then allowed to cool at a controlled rate. This meticulous process can take several hours or even days, depending on the type and thickness of the glass. By carefully managing the cooling process, manufacturers can produce high-quality glass that is both resilient and reliable for various applications. That's the science behind glass production. It's a journey that starts with simple raw materials and transforms them into something extraordinary. From raw materials like sand, soda ash and limestone to the intense heat of the furnace where these elements are melted together, and then through a meticulous cooling process, the molten glass is carefully shaped and solidified. The entire process is as fascinating as the end product itself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Explains It All for more quick insights into how the world around us works. Stay curious and keep exploring.